Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon. Hope you are always in the pink of health. Sa video, I have some bits and pieces that displays good vibes, joy and happiness. You can see their expressions, embracing the present and find joy in the simple things only. It conveys the importance of finding joy in a simple manner, like the Manila vloggers when they went to Jollibee. You can see their faces; they are all enjoying, and it seems that they have no problems at all. So that is an example of images that displays happiness. Next is, happiness is a state of mind. It cultivates positivity and let it fill your day. If you are happy the whole day, it seems that the following day you will be thinking of nothing. Everything is okay for you because you started your mood a happy person. We must focus on the beautiful moments, appreciate the small things, and make happiness a priority. So every time gising sa umaga, see to it that we look at the window and appreciate all the beautiful things that we see around, and that will make you happy. Don't wait for someone else to make you happy. Create your own joy and spread it around. Happiness is a journey, not a destination. We enjoy the ride and find peace in each step. The only thing that will make you happy is being happy with who you are. And be healthy and take care of yourself. But be happy with the beautiful things that make you as you. Thank you. Hope you like all the message and the quotations that you see on the videos. Ano ba ang mga ingredients to be happy? We always incorporate our habits in our daily life, such as always be grateful, practice gratitude, make a journal, and write down all those things that you want to be grateful for. Practice number 2, we must practice kindness, be kind to others, be optimism. Practice being optimistic, being positive is a good thing to be happy. That is the best. I think that is the best element. Learning to forgive. Matuto tayong magpatawad. Pero minsan, kung nagpapatawad tayo, nagpatawad tayo, pero because sometimes we are only human, na kahit nagpatawad tayo, nandoon pa rin yung scar, yung sugat. Kaya it will take time para makalimutan yon. Pero it doesn't mean na galit tayo sa tao. Kasi ang sabi ni Lord, we must not hate the person, but we must hate the action or sins. We must invest also in relationships, like the 10 commandments of human relation. Number 1 is smile at people. Number 2, call people by their names. Yun ang 2 most important things sa 10 commandments of human relation. Always smile. Kahit hindi nyo kakilala at nagkasalubong kayo, give each one a big smile, and then greet each other. So, yun ang mga simbolo ng being happy. You cares about people. Finding flow activities. Kung marami tayong ginagawa, always take your time. Take it easy. Kasi ang trabaho nandyan lagi yan eh. Kung magkakaroon tayo ng stress, then hindi natin ma-maintain. We cannot embrace happiness because of the stress. Also, we must avoid overthinking. Yung masyadong yung nag-iisip tayo. Yung okay lang na mag-isip, pero kung ano yung nasa harap mo, yun na muna ang bigyan mo ng pansin. At always think about that life here on earth is joy. It's a joy, and we must have our objectives. Because kung meron tayong objectives o panuntunan na sinusunod, nagiging routine yon. Hindi yung dampot dito, dampot doon. So yung pagkakaroon ng routine and consistency, isa yan sa mga factors to be considered sa pagiging masaya ng isang tao. Yung laging dapat organized. Paano ba natin maipakita ang pagiging masaya natin? Ang sabi nila, if you are happy, you are always over the moon. Para bang you can reach the heaven, di ba? If you say over the moon, you mean that you are very pleased about something. You are very pleased and happy about everything. Lalo na kung merong isang bagay na nakapagpapasaya sa'yo. So that is called over the moon. Happiness, it is a state of being that allows one to experience feelings of intense, long-lasting happiness and being contented in life. Yung maging kontento tayo kung anong meron tayo, yun isa ng bagay na magbibigay saya sa atin. Kung ano yung nasa harap natin, maging masaya tayo, at kung meron man darating, hindi lalo nating pag-ibayuhin ang pagiging masaya. So, intay-intay lang tayo sa mga bagay na darating sa buhay natin. So, yan ay ilan lamang sa mga elements and factors to be considered kung paano tayo magiging masaya. Sana meron kayong natutunan kahit papaano this weekend sana maging masaya kayo at shout out to Team Smile. Thank you for including me in your team. Appreciate it very much. And thank you also for all those beautiful insights and inputs that you can see it on the video. And there is one here, a theme that I don't know about this theme. I just saw it in my Instagram. Okay, happy weekend. Have a great day, and always have a peaceful mind. Practice good vibes, and always be grateful and kind to others. Bye for now.